Hi traders, this is Steve Miley for ForexFraud.com, and we're now taking a look at both cable, that's pound dollar, and then also looking at EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar. Both spot FX rates in here. Both exhibiting a slightly more positive tone, but overall the pound in here versus the dollar, cable still remains very weak. Partially and primarily to do with some US dollar strength in here back here in the early part of May, but as we've gone through May, a deteriorating outlook for the pound in here, particularly as we've got various concerns around Tory party leadership contest and potentials now for a hard Brexit. So the pound dollar cable remaining very, very weak in here. We had a new cycle low here at 125.58 back on Friday at the end of the month. We have had a little pop higher, US dollar weakness more than anything else, but we still see an intermediate term bearish theme and still look for lower price action towards 125 and 124 into June. Slightly different outlook for the euro versus the dollar. So the euro dollar in here has got in this erratic downtrend from the beginning of the year, and the push low that we saw back here in April and then again in here at May down to 111.09 and 111.06, maintaining an intermediate term bearish theme whilst below these 112.64-65 peaks. However, a little rebound in here at the end of last week and the end of last month, end of May, does highlight risk for maybe a pushback higher into the early part of June. So although the intermediate term outlook remains bearish whilst below 112.64-65, we do see upside risk and maybe for a challenge up to there into early June. This has been Steve Miley for ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.